So while I was at the track this weekend, I had some downtime, decided to install these Rain-X windshield wiper blades. These blades come with 3 different attachments. One of them is already attached to the blade and the other 2 are separate in the package. Now in order to get the other blade, the old blade, out of the windshield wiper stem, we're supposed to pull on this tab, but mine was so old and brittle that it just snapped off. You're essentially just going to be pushing the blade down, and I use a screwdriver here to push the old blade out of the hook part of the wiper blade stem. I'll give you another view of this in 1 second. Fortunately, it was very windy out, so I couldn't really get any good quality audio. After comparing the 3 different adapters, it was obvious which adapter was correct. So here I am trying to get the pre-installed adapter removed using a screwdriver. When I get to the second blade on the driver's side, I'll give you guys a better view of what I'm really doing here. Simply attach the correct attachment to the blade, then slide it straight up until it snaps in place. Once again, we're going to take this smallest sized pivot piece right here. We'll take this out because ours is too large and replace it with this piece because it fits right nicely in here with the clamp side facing the top of the loop with a hook. I turned my phone off as soon as I got it to snap out, but there it is. And of course, we want this to be this side facing upwards to go to the hook. And just pop it right on that center one. There we go. Now take off the little covers. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment. Hope to see you guys out there.